In this video, I'm going to show you how can you adjust your online store layout using Mozello. The first step is to find the settings icon on the right top corner of your online store. Then click on it and you will see a button, Catalog Layout. Once you click on that button, a window will open where you can choose the catalog layout and choose product image layout. The catalog layout options are categories on the right, categories on the top, or categories on the left. And also you can choose the way your product images will look. So basically, if you want 3 in a row or 2 in a row, or you want them one by one, vertical or horizontal, that's depending on your product. In this case, we're going to leave it like this. And once you've selected your style, simply click on the cross button and you will see that your online store design or look has changed. You can change and adjust this at any time.